All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Fly and Ride here. That's right, we've got Sandstorm back, and I'm going to give you the very first cold start after I've just completed the complete stage 2 at Get Lowered and installed this amazing 2-into-2 full Chromeworks Eclipse exhaust. Wait till you hear what this sounds like. Do me a favor, if you're new to the channel, I'm Fly and Ride, and on this channel I focus on motovlogs, ride videos, ride reviews, all on my 2020 Street Glide CVO that you see right there called Sandstorm, and on my 2022 BMW R1250 GS called Airwolf that you see right there. I also feature cinematic drone footage flying my DJI MAVIC 2 drone, and we do product upgrades, product reviews, test out different bikes, group rides, destination rides all across this great state of New Jersey. So do me a favor, if you like that kind of content, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of content like this one in the future. Let's take it for a spin. Let's go. All right, so I'm going to take you to a nice spot here. I'm going to let you hear the sound of this awesome exhaust. Oh yeah. And then I've got the drone with me. I'm gonna give you some a bunch of nice shots all around the bike. I'm gonna tell you what I finally got done here at Get Lowered, the last few upgrades that we did and why I was waiting, and then I'm finally gonna tell you what the final results were in terms of horsepower and torque. So again, you're gonna want to stick around. Sounds awesome. Only Chromeworks, baby, can make that sound. Right here, I love this road here because it's a nice straightaway. We've got some nice green on each side. Let me turn around here. Oh yeah, keep it preloaded. I'm gonna pull over right here. I'm going to give you a nice walk around the bike using the drone, and then I'm going to talk to you about what Get Lowered finally did on the bike here, and then I'm going to give you the final numbers, and then I'm going to give you some few shots here of this nice road and enjoying some of this beautiful weather and beautiful scenery we've got today in New Jersey. All right, let's launch the drone. A little windy. First, let me give you a nice fly around of the bike, and then we'll talk about the final work that I got done to the bike. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed those nice flybys with the drone, capturing the sound of this amazing Chromeworks exhaust with my DJI wireless mic system that I just talked about recently. So let's talk about the recent upgrades that I just had done at Get Lowered. So number one, you can tell right there, that's the new Trask air cleaner, high flow air cleaner that I got done. And again, I just really have always liked the look of this. And this has given me a bit more performance in combination with this Chromeworks system that I'm going to show you here in a minute. So that was one of the things that I just got done at Get Lowered. The second thing is this awesome looking San Diego Customs Saddlemen seat. Now this seat I purchased with my own money, and I'm going to do a full review. I can tell you right now that it is dramatically better than the stock seat on the CVO. However, because it's new, you got to put at least 500 miles on this. I'm going to continue to ride, and then at some point I'm going to do a full review. So you're going to want to stay tuned for this full review if you're considering it. But this red stitching just makes this sand dune color pop. As you can tell, I've got red accents here. It just makes the bike pop, I think, in an awesome way. And then the last thing I got done, of course, which is the main feature, are these amazing Chromeworks 2x2 Eclipse system that you see right here. Look how nice that looks on the bike. Special shout out again to Chromeworks for sending me this system to put on Sandstorm. Absolutely love it. I think it looks awesome. I think it sounds amazing, and it has taken the performance right where I want it to be on Sandstorm. And talking about performance, let's talk about the final numbers. So I'm gonna put the original baseline numbers here when the bike was at stage 1, and I'm gonna show you that now on the screen. And then I'm gonna show you now, just before I got this additional work done, what the last numbers were before I upgraded to these pipes and to this air cleaner. And now, of course, what I know many of you have been asking me for, the final results after the bike is complete. And this bike is now pushing 110 horsepower and 126 foot-pounds of torque, which again, I think is awesome results. And look, I'm sure that there are others out there that have gone it. I've seen some of my buddies broke 130 on the torque, maybe 114 on the horsepower. There's a lot of variables that play into that. But overall, I can tell you that the bike is operating awesome. It feels awesome. I can tell a slight difference even from the prior tune to now this tune with the new exhaust and the new air cleaner, albeit minor, but I can tell the difference, and it is slightly higher, as you saw there in the comparison from the baseline The first time I got the Stage 2 done with that, with the prior system that I had, which was jackpot headers and Chromeworks exhaust with the other air cleaner that you used to see on here. And now you see what the results are here. So look, overall, I am super, super happy with the way that this worked out. Get lowered. Thank you again. I think you did an awesome, awesome job. If you're in the tri-state area and you want to get work done, make sure you go check out Mike and Get Lowered. Awesome, awesome place, awesome guy, awesome service. Highly, highly recommended. And then, of course, if you're in the market for the baddest, best looking, best sounding pipes, in my opinion, make sure you reach out to Chromeworks. As you can tell here, just absolutely, absolutely sounds amazing. I love the way that they look. And again, the performance is just awesome. So look, that's going to do it for this video. Quick, short video. I got a lot of content planned for the channel. You're going to want to stay tuned. I'll be doing lots of ride videos, group rides, hanging out with the crew, going to different destinations. So again, you're going to want to stay tuned in the channel. So do me a favor, if you like this kind of content, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of future content like this one. Thanks for watching.